Hello, dear students. So we'll wait few minutes and let's check if everyone has joined or not. So hello everyone, just tell me if I'm audible or not. Please let me know if I'm audible or not. Just tell me if you are audible, if I'm audible or not, just quick. Let me know if I am audible or not. Today we'll continue to the next step, next part of this chapter. Today I'll start with diol H. What is the full form of diol H? Diisobutyl aluminium hydride. Diisobutyl aluminium hydride. Now, how to draw the structure of this diisobutyl aluminium hydride? Can anyone tell if the audio is clear? Can everyone tell that if the audio is clear? Yes, please write in the chat box. If everything is clear, please write. Please write. Please write if everything is clear. Please write down. Diisobutyl aluminium hydride. The compound is diol H. Aluminium at the center. So you know what is isobutyl group? How to identify isobutyl group? One, two, three. And two position as a methyl. Dear students, please tell me if I am completely audible and everything is fine regarding the stream. And then we go to the reactions of diol H. What does diol H will do? Now, sir, diol H does selective reduction of cyanide or ester. Cyanide or ester to aldehyde is the easiest method which diol H can do. C R C triple bond. Yes, thank you. So I have a cyanide, and if you are treating cyanide with diol H, What would be the product? RC double bond OH. Product form is a aldehyde. Cyanide to aldehyde. Next, similarly, RC double bond O R prime. It is a ester. And when you treat dival H on ester, what would be the product? Ester also converted to an aldehyde plus the other part of the ester becomes alcohol. Ester converted to aldehyde as well as alcohol. Now, dival H, important note, selectively, there's a memory cloud. You have to remember things here. Selectively reduces cyanide or ester. Selectively reduces cyanide or ester in presence of, important point, you will get question from here, CC double bond or CC triple bond. So if double bond and triple bond are present in the compound, and write down double bond and triple bond also, CC double bond, CC triple bond. So if double bond and triple bond are present in the compound, then this cyanide dival H will only oxidize or reduce the cyanide and ester. It won't. Yes. So dival H will selectively oxidize or reduce the, dival H is reducing agent, reduce the cyanide or ester, not oxidize. Let's go to the next slide. So let's see this question. I have this ring and CN. Then I am treating dival H. What would be the product? I have this ester and I am treating dival H. What would be the product? Please tell me the product in the first case. What will be happening with the double bond? Will double bond participate in the chemical reaction or not? Will the double bond participate in the chemical reaction or not? Yes, waiting for your answers. Now listen. What else is the product here? As a cyanide will convert to aldehyde in presence of diol H. This down ester will convert to respective aldehyde along with formation of methanol MeOH, but no reaction on the double bond and triple bond. Okay, next let me tell you about Friedel Crafts acylation. Do you remember about Friedel-Crafts acylation? What happens in Friedel-Crafts acylation? Now, my dear students, I have benzene ring. On that, I want to add up an acyl group. This is in presence of AlCl3, which is a acylating agent. And what happens here? C double bond O R. So this is either a ketone, benzophenone and acetophenone. Two ketones will be prepared by this method. Let's write what is benzophenone, what is acetophenone. Formation of acetophenone. Who can make acetophenone by using Friedel-Crafts acylation? First, you understand what is acetophenone. Now, sir, benzene ring, C double bond O, CH3. This product is acetophenone. Now, sir, what is benzophenone? This product is benzene ring, C double bond O. Another benzene ring is benzophenone. So, see, acetophenone and benzophenone. So, preparation of acetophenone and benzophenone. Quickly see formation of benzophenone. Sir, I can use Friedel-Crafts acylation. First, you start with benzene. Once you start with benzene, you have to treat acylating agent. And you know AlCl3 is a Lewis acid here. This Lewis acid will help you to create the acyl electrophile which is used in this step. Now what will happen? You prepare acetophenone. So to prepare benzophenone, same combination on benzene ring, but now here you have to have Cl and another benzene ring on this side in presence of AlCl3. So your product will be benzophenone. That's it. Now let's go to next reaction. What is the next reaction? Etard. Important one. See, what is the next reaction? Etard's reaction. Dear students, Etard reaction gives us a direct question. Usage of chlomyl chloride. So, toluene Start with toluene. Use chromyl chloride CrO2 Cl2, and what you will be getting? Benzene ring C double bond O H. What is this? Na sir, benzaldehyde. The product is benzaldehyde. Now this benzaldehyde, listen, this benzaldehyde, how this benzaldehyde is formed, what are the intermediates? Let's start the mechanism. So I have starting material toluene. How to write toluene? Na sir, benzene ring CH H. Now this is treated with Cr double bond O, double bond O, single bond Cl, single bond Cl. And what I will get? I'll get a complex. And what would be the name of that complex? Let's see. Let's draw it. CH O CrOH Cl2 whole twice. So one of the bond will break and this hydrogen will leave and we get a bond here. Hydrogen will also stay and we get a bond here. Now after getting this complex, write down this is chromium complex. This chromium complex undergoes hydrolysis. If I do hydrolysis here, H3O plus, directly I am writing hydrolysis product on next slide. So I am doing hydrolysis here. Both that lengthy polar bond will break, and after hydrolysis, I will get CH, CHOH. Now this is a gem diol, and all of you know that gem diol is unstable and readily loses a single water molecule. And if I remove that water molecule, double bond OH, formation of benzaldehyde. Now, you see, similar reaction is observed when I take CrO5. Important. So listen, same toluene. Do you remember CrO5 structure? Butterfly. CrO5 looks like this. Obviously, sir, valence is 6. Butterfly structure. Now this CrO5 in presence of acetic anhydride. What is this? Na acetic anhydride, the first member of the anhydride series. What will be the product formed? Na benzaldehyde, benzene ring, C double bond O H. So the name of the product is benzaldehyde. Write down quickly. Important one here, put a star. Toluene to benzaldehyde by using CrO5 instead of using chromyl chloride. Now next, I have to teach you regarding Gattermann-Koch reaction and Gattermann aldehyde synthesis. Gattermann-Koch reaction and Gattermann aldehyde synthesis. Let's see how Gatterman-Koch reaction works and how Gatterman aldehyde synthesis works. We'll go to next slide. Tell me if there is any doubts till now, dear students. If there is any doubts, I'm in the chat box. If there is any doubt, please let me know. So let's go to Gatterman-Koch reaction. Gatterman-Koch reaction. So what do you mean by Gatterman-Koch reaction? Right, start with this one. What is this? Now phenol. In this phenol, treat COHCl in presence of AlCl3. I'll tell you the use of Lewis acid AlCl3 in the mechanism. So what will happen? OHCHO, orthohydroxybenzaldehyde, orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. Do you remember the common name of orthohydroxybenzaldehyde? Why orthohydroxybenzaldehyde has less boiling point than parahydroxybenzaldehyde? Tell me, why orthohydroxybenzaldehyde is more stable than parahydroxybenzaldehyde? What is the name of orthohydroxybenzaldehyde? Na salicylic aldehyde. Salicylic aldehyde. This salicylic aldehyde form. Now mechanism. This salicylic aldehyde. Let's check the mechanism. First step. Preparation of electrophile. How to prepare the electrophile? Let's check. How to check the electrophile? Now you have CO. CO is treated with H plus. What I will get? Now I will get HC double bond O plus. This HC double bond O plus will react with our benzene ring. Hmm. 1 second. Just let's check what happening with this writing thing. Hmm. Wait a second, my dear students. There is some problem in writing. Give me a second, I'll fix it. Some problem happened, some issue happened in this setting. I think if I change the lead, it may work. Give me a second. The most unexpected error for your class. This pen tab is not working. Okay, there is some unexpected error with the pen tab. So we'll connect tomorrow. We'll try to cover the remaining part, starting from Itard, Gatterman, Koch, and then all other preparation methods, as well as we'll start the important reactions like aldol, Cannizzaro, and all. So sorry for this interruption. There is a slight error in the pen tab. Hopefully, I'll fix it by tomorrow and start the classes. Okay. Thank you. Just let me check once. No, it's not working. It's not working. I'm trying to scroll it throughout. It's not working. The writing thing is not working. Even I'm trying completely. Okay, it's okay. We'll meet tomorrow. I'll fix it first and we'll meet tomorrow.